Setting up your Nighthawk is quick and easy using the Nighthawk app from NETGEAR. Let's get started. First, download the Nighthawk app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Once downloaded, open the app. Check the box and click Agree. Click Next. Click Allow. Click Enable Notifications. Click Allow. Click Next. Sign in or create a NETGEAR account to continue. Click Create New Account. Click Set up a Nighthawk. Click on Get Started. Click on the tab for the product you are setting up. Click on Wi-Fi router. Next, allow camera access so you can scan the QR code found on your Nighthawk router. Click OK. Scan the QR code. This code will come in handy later for connecting to the Nighthawk network. Disconnect all devices from the modem. Click Continue. Reboot your internet modem. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes before powering back on. Click Continue. Plug in the modem. Wait for the modem's LED lights to stabilize before powering up your Nighthawk router. This could take up to 5 minutes. Click Continue. Then, plug in one end of the Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet on the back of the Nighthawk router. Then, plug in the other end into one of the LAN or Ethernet ports of your internet provider's modem or gateway. Plug in the power adapter to turn the router on. Click Continue. Once your Wi-Fi 7 router's sync LED light starts to blink, continue with the step-by-step process in the Nighthawk app. On older routers, wait for the instructions from the app. Now, connect your phone to the Nighthawk Wi-Fi network. Click Next. If the router is not detected, confirm you are connected to the Wi-Fi network name located on the Nighthawk router. You can find this on the label that came on the router or on the label underneath the router. Now we'll personalize your new Wi-Fi network. Click Next. Your router comes with a pre-configured, unique and secure Wi-Fi network name and password. Click Next. Your admin password is used to securely log into your router when on the local networks to make changes or updates. Click Next. Just in case you forget your admin password, you can use these security questions to reset the login credentials. Click Continue. Great! Your new settings are now being applied. Click Join. If you change the Wi-Fi name and password from the default settings, give your router a minute to reboot and apply these settings. Then, you'll need to reconnect your phone to the new Wi-Fi network to complete the setup. If the app cannot find the router, make sure there are no other Wi-Fi access points using the same network name, and make sure the phone is connected to the router's Wi-Fi. We recommend updating to your router's latest firmware version if needed. Click Update. Click Next. click Join. Once you're connected with the new settings applied, you're all finished with setup. Click Next. Now, on the Nighthawk App dashboard, you'll see all the features your Nighthawk system has to offer. And you can use the Nighthawk app to enable NETGEAR Armor cybersecurity solution, smart parental controls, and a guest network. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.